So this is my first time spraying paint using, in this case, an electric HVLP gun that I just got off Amazon. It's like 40 bucks. Seems to have good reviews. I've watched some videos on it. I've tested it already. Seems to do the job. Paint mixed up. Mixed it to a 10-to-1 ratio, 10 paint, 1 water. Everything I looked up said 10%, which that's what it works out to. So I mixed up a small amount. And we're going to strain it out, throw some paint down on some plywood for my trailer, and see how it goes. So, check you later.